Welcome to 5 Star Guns and Gear, and today we're going to do just a quick little tutorial on changing out your bolt knob on a CZ457 bolt action rifle. So this little 22, we want to go ahead and take this small factory knob off here, and we're going to replace it with this Evolution Gunworks knob. It's substantially bigger, but you know, it's not too big, so I think it's a perfect fit for your 22 rimfires. And this particular one is smooth and has 3 rings. You can get them on all different kinds of designs, and you can get them from different brands and everything as well. But I chose the Evolution Gunworks. This one's the 36031, fits the Bagaris and the CZ457. So let's go ahead and get started. Pretty simple task. This gun is cleared, magazine out. We do need to go ahead and release the bolt. If you don't know how to do that, here's your release right here. We're going to push that in while we extract the bolt out. We will set this down. And this is what we need right here. So we are going to unscrew this knob. We're going to actually set it up in our vise and just go ahead and twist this out. If we have any resistance or anything, we will apply some heat to it. You can use like a heat gun. That's actually my recommended method. And then we go back. I will use a little bit of blue Loctite on this, and we'll screw this in there, get it seated, tighten down, and we'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and take over the vise, and we'll have this set up. Okay, we just want to put this in a padded vise, and I usually, even though I've got these soft jaws in here, I usually just put a piece of leather in here, just hold my workpiece, and we'll go ahead and clamp this down. You can strip this bolt down if you want to. It's really not necessary. You try to get this where y'all be able to see what I'm doing. And this piece of leather, I'm just going to cut out of the way. One, for your viewing. 2, I'm going to use a piece of this leather. Okay, just going to go ahead and wrap this around the bolt knob itself. Okay, you can attempt to take your bolt knob off with some adjustable pliers or some vice grips, but if it doesn't want to just break loose, you may have to use some heat. Now this one did break loose, and it will unscrew right off. There you go. And this appears to have some kind of silicone material. Okay, and if you got any adhesives or anything like that, you may want to take a nylon brush and just kind of clean up the threads. This one did have some on it. Just go around, give it a little quick cleaning. Pretty simple. Good enough. And we're going to use some medium strength thread locker. I'm just going to use this Permatex. You can use Loctite brand, whatever you want. I recommend a medium strength. That way, when you get ready to change your bolt knob out, if you ever do, it'll come off a little bit easier. And that's plenty. You don't need a lot on it. So what we're going to do is take our new bolt knob and we're going to install it. Sorry for all the background noise, guys. Next door they're doing some remodeling, and some that's bleeding through in the shop here. You can just tighten this by hand, guys. I do like to go ahead and wrap this leather around here. We're not going to torque this down a lot because we don't want to snap anything or do any damage. Let me adjust these adjustable pliers real quick. Just going to get a grip and just give it just a little bit extra. That's all we need. Take it out the vise, and it is that simple to install your new bolt knob. While you have your bolt out, guys, if you want, it's a good time to, if you want to take this bolt apart, I'll do a disassembly video. You'd always polish your bolt up. You can also polish any of your surface areas that made up right here, like your bolt handle. When you take that off, you can polish these areas in between here. Anything that's going to actually turn and have metal to metal contact. When I do my bolt, when I do customization and stuff on bolt actions rifles, I like to go ahead and smooth everything out and polish everything up. Everything just seems to actually work a lot better with polished surfaces. Takes a little bit of time, but we'll get that to a different episode. But here you go. I'll throw it in the gun. I'll show you how it looks in the gun. All right, here it is. Right back in the gun, and it looks absolutely great. Had a little oil on it here, but that's all right. Looks good. I think that's going to work out perfect on this. Now this is going on this CZ457 MTR, and I think it's going to be a perfect fit for this. This gun we'll be doing another video on, let you know all the modifications we've done on this gun. And we're going to have some range time on this gun, see what it does. This is a brand new gun. We have not taken it to the range yet. However, I've done a lot of work to this gun already, and I'll let y'all know in a different video. So y'all look for those videos. I'll try to link to them, and go check those out as well. Hopefully this bolt installation video has helped a couple people out that has been leery about installing a bolt. It's not difficult. It's one of the easiest things you can do, and maybe this video will help you guys out. Guys, if you're subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit that like, if you would. Hit that thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. If you hit that thumbs down, hit it twice for me, please. And as always, God bless, and I'll catch you on the next episode.